we just arrived to our room. We're at the Yokohama Intercontinental Grand in the smaller Japanese suite. Last year we stayed at the same hotel in the Japanese suite, but it was a lot bigger. So keep that in mind when you're making reservations. The Japanese suite. They put out our futons already. Got some pretty nice views out here. Is fast asleep and Brody woke up as soon as we got into the room. It's only 6:50, but we're so tired. So it has two little bit bigger than single size beds here. There is a toilet in this room. There's a little sitting area, like a dining room, closet. There's the showers in there. Hey, Brody, are you ready to sleep? Yes, we're going to take a bath now. Here's a Japanese style bath. Do the cushion and then on the bottom tub, and then on the top. Hold on, Brody. So this is the Japanese suite, the smaller version. Nice views from the window. Got a little Japanese tatami mat area where they pull out the futons later when you get to go to sleep. There's Amlin. She's eating some Baskin and Robbins ice cream. It's really good. She's doing a really good job. Some other views over here. Oh, one's a happy one and one's a sad one. Cause what?
He's not a biking man.
Oh, I see.
Look. He's like.
And what is the other one like?
This is like.